le country inebala, ibala lawo limnyama. I-landlessness, abantu abangenawo umhlaba majority bamnyama futhi baningi. Ama-graduate unemployed anebala amnyama. Odokotela abangaqashiwe de bemasha laba ababizela amaphoyisa amnyama. Othisha baningi, thousands and thousands of unemployed graduates in the education sector. Bamnyama. I-institution ye-health ayibhedlela ongeke usizakale kuzona ofa zona ulindile and zinabantu abamnyama kulezo bhedlela. I-education yabantu abamnyama yona enganakiwe okumele kuphuma abantu abasha okuthiwa bayi-future le country. We want to make it clear as young people that we're not just the future, but we are happening now. Young people are going to lead now. Abantu abayi-future iy'ngane zethu esisazoyizala. Thina we are happening now. The 4 million new voters, 70% plus of them are young people. Iyakutshela into ukuthi abantu abasha bane-interest yokuvota ngoba sekubuya umsholozi. Iyakutshela ukuthi abantu abasha bayazi ukuthi ngesikhathi sikamsholozi impilo zabo zasingcono. UNSFAS akusiyo education. UNSFAS ngimhlabele nje abantu be-MK nabantu abaseceleni abalayelayo namaphoyisa abafowethu. Amaphoyisa awakwazi ukukhokhela iy'ngane zawo ama-universities nama-TVET colleges. Amaphoyisa kuba ney'teleka ngoJanuwari zokuthi iy'ngane ey'ngene ey'koleni nabo basibizele emaceleni besho ingane yabo ayikwazi ukurejista because they are professionals kodwa baholi ugovernment awaholela amaphoyisa kodwa adlala indima enkulu ukuthi enze sure ukuthi zisafe. Amanesi awaholelwa awafodi ukufundisa iy'ngane zabo kodwa bona futhi ugovernment akabaholeli. Ama-social worker awasebenzi abantu abasha kodwa ugovernment awubanikeza imisebenzi. Yet we are suffering from depression because we're not employed. CDC MK Party nabantu abasha, we are showing you that angeke bekwazi ukuntshontsha amavoti ngoba we've deployed young people in all voting stations and they are very sober that they want change and positive change in our lifetime. We want economic freedom in our lifetime and they want it now. Finally, esemvala nje kunohlava-ke labantu abathola ama-positions selifikeleke nakwi-youth league. No, so long as we are very decisive. And so the example of the MK Party motherboard ibone nayo. From today, we'll be dissolving all structures of the youth league and put interim structures for election purposes. Asizukuba nabantu abalid province soba nabantu abalidayo ukuthi i-organizing committee yama-elections kuphela. Naka-national president ngeke kube khona abaholi be-youth league, kuzoba khona abantu abafocuse kuma-elections. After elections, the motherboard will guide us to say abantu abasha ababe kanje bestructurishe kanje ukuze singabi nalolu hlava lokuthi abantu abasha sebe nama-positions sebe-aligned nabantu ababangayo kwi-motherboard. We're a majority, we must set an example, we must set a tone, and we must ensure that in our majority we give the MK Party its decisive victory. Amandla!